Good afternoon, choppers. Welcome back. New York session. Let's mark the register. Let's quickly mark the register. Right, if you just joined us, you know what to do. Like the stream, like the stream, like the stream. Let's go. Right, I think I'm going to start the stream by saying Apia Mangami on gold. Like I said, if I had enough margin, I was gonna take a buy there on 5 minutes on gold to go to $2,900 an ounce there. And as you can clearly see, I think my anticipation was TP at 2,902. But yeah, we went well above it and went to $2,910 an ounce there. So I hope you took this one. We had a beautiful morning session. We had a beautiful morning session. If you're still holding your WTI, let me know on the comment section there. Some of you in the group have already hit your TP. I'm still holding this trade. Choppers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this stream. Share the stream to as many people as you can. Share the stream to as many people as you can. WTI trading at $71.62 per barrel there. Look, man, this is what we have been anticipating. I know some of you already hit your TP there. I was just giving you guys an update. By the way, guys, check out this latest video here we just released today, which is a weekly outlook, basically going through the markets, and just in the first phase of the video talking about how wrong Donald Trump is, right? So just have a look at that. Check it out. Last week we also released an episode on this one is private. This one not everyone can see. This is for the private members, the Choppers funded members. This one is private, right? But this one is available to everyone. Go also check it out. 7 rules that made me profitable after 4 years of losing. Check it out. So today this one was dropped. Go check out this if you wanna know more about, or you're not sure of your thingy, right? Is it Sange, this one? Oratile, by the way. Okay, it's Ora is saying good day, Choppers. I took the trade when we were live. TP hit, Mr. President was my extra confluence today. Yeah, Ora took this one and he hit TP nicely. He was Harold, let me know, my friend, if you also took this one. My update was still holding my buys on WTI, stops on break even. So this is where I am currently on WTI. Right. So yeah, we're still holding it. I don't think I'm gonna mess around with it, man. As long as my stops are on break even, I'm okay. If you attended the morning session, I told you that if I had enough margin, I was gonna buy gold. Like I always say, I never understand the concept of people saying they're trading price action, but they never pay much attention to the price, but only technicals, right? So this is pure price action, where you're saying you're just monitoring how price is moving. It was trading at 2,895, and I was saying $5 to make this thing go to 2,900. Why not take it? If I had enough margin, I was gonna take this, and 2,902 was gonna be a place where I was gonna take my TP on this German. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, bullish again on German. I hope you had something, man. I think what is discouraging me now is that I don't have enough margin to take a lot of trades. I mean, I took Bitcoin. I'm currently holding my Bitcoin, and I'm still holding my WTI. This was the analysis in the morning. Again, if you attended the live session in the morning, I was saying buy at a discount, at least around 21,800. You take it to the upside. So if you did, well done to you. NAS 100, I think it was Mukela who was asking me about my take on NAS 100, and I was saying again, buy it. Why would you look for selling this thing, right? Why? Retail traders always make the same mistake. Remember, this is a retest. What would a lot of retail traders do? They will think that we are going to make a new low, right? Retest back at 21,500 and go to the downside. Retail traders always making the same mistakes, man. So that's why I say buy. Buy this thing, close your eyes. Buy this thing and close your eyes. Euro dollar. Someone was taking buys in the morning, euro dollar. Can you update us on that? Was it Sange? Someone was taking US dollar buys in the morning, so please update us there. British pound USD. Can I have a clean chart on this, please? All right, so my anticipation on this was if we come at $1.24, this is where you can potentially look for selling opportunities there on British pound USD, right? Trap here at $1.2366 and go to the upside. This was my anticipation there. I think this thing is still going to be bullish. That is how I see it. I think I'm gonna look for buying opportunity. I just hope by the time it comes at least at $1.2365, I'm gonna be out of WTI. That's my hope, so that I can take a buy there. So I'm bullish on British pound USD, bullish on euro dollar, bullish on NASDAQ, bullish on German, bearish by the way on 4-hour Bitcoin. don't know what happened there. Look at where my chart is. For those of you who just joined us, this is what we're discussing in the morning. So we took a buy on, a sell on Bitcoin from last week, still holding it. Entry was at 99,161. As you know that I always swing Bitcoin. Where are the choppers this afternoon? You know, choppers are always a lot in the morning, right? In the afternoon, they are not there. All right, let's mark the register. Mukela is in the house. We also have Sis Nontlanda in the house. Who was the first man on the ball today? Sang is also in the house. Lemohang is also in the house. Brett Mutasa, Sir Brett. Let's chop. Yeah, indeed, my friend. Let's do this thing. Cities is in the house. Good afternoon, Mr. President, and all the choppers. Sange, I think he's responding to what I was saying. Yes, Mr. President, but it took me out on break-even. Okay, fine. So I was asking Sange if he's out on his euro-dollar trade that he took this morning. So he was out on break-even. Emmanuel Mamasebo is also in the building. Good to see you there, my friend. Jereza is in the house. We are monitoring WTI. Did you take the buy there, Jereza? Please let me know, my friend. Please let me know if you took the buy there. Please let me know. Lemohang is saying we should buy right now on NAS 100. No, my friend. Lemohang, I guess you are new here, my friend. Not yet. I'll let you know. So this is how it works. If you're trading with us here, I normally give you the price where I'm gonna enter, right? Don't be fooled by these arrows here. I'll give you the exact price, right? I'll give you the exact price. So relax. Not yet. Not yet. Lucy's in the building. Jereza is saying yes, I took profit. Well done, my friend. So Jereza took profit there on WTI. So again, it all depends on your risk reward. I'm still holding this thing, man, and I'm not backing down on it. My TP is at $72.12. This is where I have my TP choppers. If you just joined us now, you know what to do. Click that like button, like as many times. Jerez is saying I'm out on WTI. Thanks for the strategy. I hope it worked, my friend, because I released this this video last week. For those of you that are not seeing this, if you're not seeing this video on my YouTube channel, then that means you have not joined our Choppers Funded, right? So this is where basically I was talking about WTI, how to trade WTI. Very simple strategy, straightforward, right? So yeah, let's do it. If you want to join that, you know what to do, my friend. You know what to do. Emmanuel is saying you helped me find consistency during your last interview. I was struggling a lot. Thank you, my friend. I'm glad that I could help at some point. Secretary General say we are here, Mr. Fred, looking to buy EU, waiting for a rejection. Okay, I'll also have a look at it now. Tomorrow is Tuesday. We don't really stream on Tuesday. If you want us to stream tomorrow, by just saying yes on the comment section, depending on how many people will say yes. So we've got 30 people streaming here. So if we have at least 50% of you saying yes, or let me say 16, if we can have 16 yeses, then we can stream again in tomorrow morning. We don't normally stream on Tuesdays, but it's up to you. So just say yes there on the comment section if you want us to stream again in the morning. Possibly kill this WTI again. And gold, by the way. And NASDAQ. By the way, guys, are you guys going for FMAS 2025? Are you guys going for FMAS 2025, or it's a long story? Are you guys going for FMAS Finance Magnet Africa Summit? Are you guys going there this year, or is it a long story? So FMAS 25 this year. Okay, so for the past 2 years it was in Sentin, right? FMAS for the past 2 years it was in Sentin. So this year, and by the way, this Sentin in South Africa, because I know we have people also outside the country. So this year is gonna be happening in Cape Town. This year is happening in Cape Town. Network Land Grow, the largest trading summit in Africa. Right, 2,500 plus attendees, exhibitors and sponsors, 50 plus, 60 plus speakers. So we are having speakers from all over the world, right? Speakers from South Africa, your CEOs, your directors, your CEOs, directors of companies, whether they are in the fintech industry, brokerage, they are business people, they are professional speakers, you name them. 60 plus speakers, right? That's what's gonna be happening. So it's gonna be happening in Cape Town International Convention Center, right? CTICC, entrance 1, hall 4 in Cape Town, right? If you wanna register, look, I don't promote this, I'm not affiliated with them and whatnot, but these are some of the things I like pushing as somebody to assist you, right? Whether it's funding, whether issues that you guys are going through. Some of you going through issues with your brokers, you can meet them here, right? So the first day is on the 29th of May, 10 until 6 p.m. There's gonna be a batch pickup exhibition with leading brands and professional, 2 stages, networking areas. So this is where you kill. As an entrepreneur, make sure that you kill this area here, networking, all right? This is where you will find a lot. So these are past speakers. The MEC of Gauteng, Department of Economic Development. We had directors from fintech, payments, transformations, directors from different brokers, right? We had executive VP, right? Emerging Innovating, NetBank. So this is a broker that we're gonna be looking at, right? Out of all of them, this is the one, right? Don't really care about others. So day 2, batch pickup exhibition with leading brands and professionals, 2 stages, networking area, and there's always a closing party, the venue to be announced. I don't know, usually attend the what do you call this, the after party, right? So yeah, it's happening. So who should attend? One is asking, right? Real Nadol is asking, who should attend? Traders should be there, brokers should be there, affiliates and IBs, fintech, right? What if I tell you that out of all these 60 plus speakers, I'll be one of them, right? So I'm hoping to represent you guys well. So I'll be one of the speakers there. I'll be one of the speakers there. So wish me well, guys. I hope to see you. If you're in Cape Town, let's meet there. I'll be one of the speakers there. You can say my president is here to speak, to represent the choppers. More than anything, we're going to be talking about the revolution of this country. We are going to change this, guys. It's only a matter of time. Ruzan is asking, Mr. President, can I get a picture with you at FMAS? Yeah, definitely. Why not, man? Why not? Definitely. All right. So yeah, I'm happy to announce that I'll be one of the speakers there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Now let's count the yeses, right? So these are the people that say, Mr. President, stream tomorrow. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11 of you are saying yes tomorrow out of 30 people watching. So yeah, we need 16. We need 60. We need more people. We need more people. More people. We need so if it's 11 of you, we need like 5 more people. We're good to go. Tiggs was asking choppers who trades S&P 500. Please answer there. Tiggs are there. Tebza is saying good afternoon choppers. Good afternoon, Mr. President. Good afternoon. Zanelen game is coming there, so 12 people are saying we're streaming tomorrow. Alright guys, the market is just open now. Let me just see what we can focus on. NASDAQ almost up by a percentage, right? For the fact that we are coming from 21,674, it tells me that this thing was up by 1%, right? Now up by 0.93%. I'm well aware that it was up by 1% there. German, remember we're still looking for buying opportunities there on German, man. I want to see again, can we buy at the discount? Same thing as what we did in the morning. Pay attention to the price that I have there, 21,900 21,900 schoon, right? We say schoon 29,000 20,900 yeah, 21,000 rather, 21,900. I'm now being like the previous presidents. So 21,900. Listen carefully. 21,900. This is where we are going to buy German, right? That's where I'm going to take advantage of German opportunities there. If you just join us, shoppers, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If also you have joined us and you are not aware of the trade, we are currently holding a buy on WTI. Some of you are out, but I'm still holding it. My TP is at $72.21. Another thing that I want to say to you guys, please be careful. As much as I have my TP there, it doesn't give you a right to enter now, right? Because some of you, for me, entry and stop loss is the most important thing more than TP, right? Why do I say that? If my TP is at $72.21, right? And you enter here, look at where your stop loss is going to be. So when this thing goes down to my entry level, which is on break even, by the way, I won't lose money, you'll be losing money, and it sucks, right? So please, just because my TP is there, it doesn't mean you should buy there. You are not buying at the discount. It's relatively expensive for you, right? And again, it depends on which time frame. If your time frame is 4 hours and your TP is way above, maybe $74.20 a barrel, maybe I can say why not. But if your entries are on intraday setups like 1 hour and 15 minutes, then you're most probably late, my friend. So 13 of you are saying let's do it. We need 3 more people to confirm, to just say yes. We good. I want to have a clean chart on this. I think GU, right? Let me plug you with something there. Let me see. And your vote counts once, right? Mukele is coming in there. Mukele didn't vote. Feels like this is the second vote there. I'm closely watching this. I want to see how we are going to react there. Just want to see how we are going to react there. Chances are this is what we might be expecting. All right, choppers. So some of you are wondering what's going to happen this session, right? So I'm looking at British pound. So I've got my sticky notes here. I don't know if you'll be able to see my sticky notes, right? I don't think you can. Let me try this camera here. Right. So this is my sticky note, right? I normally write things down. Like my brain works like that. I normally write things down. Okay. So on my sticky note, I have buying British pound at $1.23.75 and German looking at 21,900. This is where I am, right? So I've got my sticky notes there. This is where I'm currently at. You let me know if you're gonna be joining me. So I'm looking for buys on German. I'm looking for buys on British pound USD. I'm still holding WTI, by the way, and I'm still holding Bitcoin sell. Right, so it seems like we have enough people that are saying that we should stream tomorrow. So yeah, indeed, we are going to stream tomorrow in the morning, right? We are definitely going to stream in the morning tomorrow. So make sure that you join us at 9 South African Standard Time, right? Emmanuel saying waiting is the painful part of it when money is needed. Yeah, I understand, my friend. I understand. It's all psychological. Lemohang is saying, what's happening to NAS? Nothing is happening to NAS, my friend. What did you do? Lemohang, I think you took a trade here, my friend. To be honest, it's quite tempting where it is now. I wish I had enough margin, man. I so wish I had enough margin. If you just join us, you know what to do. Please make sure that you like. Hey, can we really see gold hit 2% for the day? Currently trading at 2,900, right? Again, I said it last year. If you watched my interview with CNBC when there was an anticipation of 30,000, I said never. Not last year, right? This year, yeah, first quarter, I can believe so. We can go to 30,000. 30,000 is here, right? 30,000 is there, but just before we go there, we need to also find some spaces where we can buy at a discount. Look at that. If I had margin, I was gonna enter this here. NASDAQ officially won, up by 1%. This WTI, man, is still in the same place. Really doesn't want to move. But like I said, I'm going to hold it, man. I entered this with the intention of making money, right? I didn't enter this with the intentions of fooling around. British pound USD on 5 minutes. I'm not getting anything there to buy. It needs to come at this point trap, then that's when I go to the upside. So if it drops, then I have to do a reevaluation on it. Euro dollar. Also, I need a clean chart on this. this euro dollar, the way it's like, I think we might have, let me see here on 5 minutes. I think we might have another swipe to the downside. I think we might have another swipe to the downside. Looking at how we rejected there, we might have another swipe to the downside. But yeah, I'm gonna be monitoring it, British pound USD as well. Funny thing is happening here. I cannot get price on WTI. Oh, there it is. Gosh. Look at how we rejected there. Can I have a clean chart on this, please? Just want to show you something. Look at how we rejected here on WTI. Remember, we wanted to get it at a discount at 21,800. Wanna again see if we can reload at 21,900, right? So, man, this for me is beautiful. Oh. This for me is beautiful for a continuation. Don't wanna lie. Beautiful for me for a confirmation. I mean, for a continuation. But I'll wait, since, like I said, I'm committed. As you know, that I'm committed on Bitcoin. I'm committed on WTI, and this thing is not really moving, man. I need some margin there to enter some of these trades. I think there are a lot of trades I could have taken today. Then Dermakar situation. So right now I'm a bit confused. I'm like AfriForum, right? So I'm a bit confused. I don't know what I need to do at this point. don't know, but I wouldn't want to sell it here. I wouldn't want to sell it there. I wouldn't want to sell British Pound USD there. Look at that thing, man. Beautiful setup there on German. Am I having someone that is still holding this Bitcoin sell with me here? Let me know in the comment section there. Am I having someone that is still holding this German Bitcoin? Let me know if you are holding this sell with me. Took my sell at 99,161. Gold waits for no man. I'm anticipating 2% by the end of the day. That is just my take on gold. This thing's not gonna wait for anybody today. It's not going to wait for anybody today. I can tell you that without a doubt. Alright, let's see that British Pound USD. I need to make a decision whether I'm closing my WTI and take this, but I'm gonna be taking out a long-term committed position on a short-term thing. It's more like as an entrepreneur, you are making permanent decisions for temporary situation. You know what I mean? But I was gonna buy this where it is. I was gonna buy it. $2, I'm seeing a buy on US30 after a retest on 44,432. Let me see. Someone was asking me about US30 in the morning. I was saying, for me, US30 is still intact. The only way I can look for selling opportunities on this, I need to break below 44,200 for me to look for selling opportunities on US30. Right, 44,004. That's down. Let's see. That's Tulani there. Lucy say I'm in on German. What did you do there, Lucy? Did you buy? Did you sell? What's going on there? SG bought EU at $1.03, 109. See. Sure. If one would ask me, Mr. President, what would you do in this case? This candle closes like this at 4. Rejection. I'm telling you. I'll be smiling all the way to the bank with a buy. If it wasn't, if I was not using rules to trade, I'm telling you, this WTI I was gonna close it. I'm bound by my rules. I cannot. Beautiful setup there for a buy on British pound USD. I wouldn't mind. I'm not saying buy it, but if I were you, I was gonna buy it. But I'm not saying buy it. ATR. Beautiful stuff here, man. 10 pips. I mean, ATR times 2. 10 pips in the money. Somewhere there. TP somewhere there. But only if it closes with this rejection, 4 o'clock, right? Only with the rejection, that's when I was gonna buy this thing. If it closes like this, still not too sure. But yeah, I'm telling you, if it was closing like this and I was not committed on WTI and Bitcoin, I was gonna take this, man. Like how I said I was gonna buy German here. I was gonna buy German here, man. So this WTI trade is making me lose a lot of trades there. Okay, fine. So SG is in on a buy here on euro dollar. All the best, my friend. Lucy is on a buy on German. Who else? Lemohang is bought NASDAQ. I don't see why not. WTI is still not going anywhere. Yeah, if it looks like this, definitely it's gonna go in here. Nice setup. In my opinion, I would say even SG is safe with this buy here. Beautiful. These are type of setups I like. Don't even compromise. I close my eyes. German buying. British pound 5 minutes buying. Lemar is asking, I must tell when I enter NAS. I'll definitely do that, my friend. Let me get more water. Don't go anywhere. Remember, if you took a buy on British Pound USD, like I said, one can, if I were you, but I'm not you. Stay tuned and I'll tell you what I was gonna do, right? Remember, I don't want to give you any financial advice. I'll tell you what I was gonna do, how I can hold that trade and let it play out. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Give me 3 seconds. I'll be back. Let me get a glass of water. Right, I'm back. Geo has already dropped a lot. Masses are trapped already. Market maker does this all the time. Lucy, you should be smiling now, man. As if you're just tuning in here and you're just watching all these things I'm saying and you're not acting, I don't know what you are doing. Read the room, right? I'm not allowed to tell you what to do, right? But read the room. The minute I say buy German, it's gonna be giving you financial advice, right? All I said is, if I were you, I was gonna take it. If I had margin, I was gonna take it at 21,900. Again, the sticky note never lies, right? There it is. There, German at 21,900. There. I hope you can see it, man. If you cannot, you need to get glasses. Buy German at 21,900. If you are in here, you should be close to your TP. I have it here on my sticky note. Buy British pound USD at $1.2375. Again, there it is. There on my sticky note. GBP there. Here. Right here. So that's what I was looking at for myself. Read the room, man. Read the room. Sticky note. I'll tell you one guy that inspired me to do a sticky note. If you know these guys, I don't know how many of you know these guys. They are also the people that inspired me to trade live, right? But these guys are trading stocks only. They're in Canada. Trade live TV. Trade live TV. I'm encouraging you. You can have a look at that. But those guys are trading 1 minute. Crazy guys. Crazy guys. Crazy guys. Crazy guys. They've inspired me to do live trading, right? But for them it's a massive organization. It's not one guy like me. It's a massive organization, and they're not trading their funds, right? So this guy usually had a sticky note, and ever since I think 4 years ago, I've been trading with sticky notes all the time. This is non-Tlanta says took a buy on GU. Well done. If you did it, put your stop loss intact, right? Just because it's going your direction, it doesn't mean you're gonna win it. This is a market. It will decide what it wants to do. SG, you should be good there on euro dollar since you took a buy there. Just want to see something there on this British pound, that what can come against you at this point. If you take your fib there, I want to see something. Still safe. My WTI is still playing, man. Not going anywhere. I'm gonna hold this the whole night, but I'll update you guys again tomorrow. Remember, we're streaming again in the morning as you have voted that we should stream. So we're gonna stream again in the morning. When you come for the morning session, also prepare your sticky notes. Let's see what we're gonna be taking as a community tomorrow, right? For those of you that took this buy on German, please ensure that you have your stop loss intact. Just make sure that you have your stop loss intact. The other thing that is not making people profitable is that they follow different people that are trading different styles. Like you see now, there are a lot of people that are streaming. Like you have a lot of people. So one time you have someone is a chopper, tomorrow is another thing. Is trading different things, and that's where confusion comes. You just need to stick to one community that shares the same fundamentals as you, the same vision as you. Don't jump from one stream to another, you know. Unless if you are just there to learn, but don't hop on, because there's someone once told me that, Mr. President, I was watching your stream, you said you're gonna be buying this, and I went on another stream, the other guy was saying sell, right? I took the other guy's stuff instead of taking your buy, and I lost it, and I said it's your fault, because what are you planning? What's your plan? You're just jumping from one stream to another, jumping from one mentor to another. Stick to what you know, man. Just stick to what you know and see if you can make money with the one community, right? That's how I can encourage you guys today. Just stick to what you know. Don't jump from one stream to another, one mentor to another. You're going to confuse yourself. So one can ask, who are my top 2 streamers? I would definitely say Trade Life TV, those guys from Canada. And there's one gentleman I have so much respect for. His name is Lorenzo, right? I don't think he's streaming anymore. One hell of a trader as well. I think he's from Netherlands, if I'm not mistaken. And I think he only trades gold. If I'm not mistaken. What I like about him is that his style of trading is more or less the same as mine. He uses fixed range. I use fixed range, right? He likes going for 1:2. At times he can even go 1:1, but I like going 1:2 upwards. So that's what I like about him. My WTI is dropping, man. It's not going anywhere, but like I said, I'm gonna keep it the whole night. Just gonna keep it. Remember, my stop loss is on break even at this point. Let's have a look at the heat map at this point. What's happening? Alright, Euro is quite weak this afternoon. US dollar is also a bit strong, but remember we are against it on British. British is also, I would say it's neutral. New Zealand dollar neutral, Canadian dollar neutral. Swiss franc is all red. Japanese also all red. Chinese yuan all red as well. Look at that gem. This is a very interesting situation, by the way. The way in which it rejected on 1 hour there, it's also a bad thing. And you're having a rejection again on 15 minutes, which ones are being trapped now? The 1 hour guys or the 2 hour guys? I mean the 15 minutes guys. Have your stops in place all the time. By the way, guys, if you need, you want to join me, a couple of you guys joined the Choppers Funded in the morning, and I know there's more of you. If you wanna join my my private group, you're more than welcome to do so. Remember, you just have to sign up, right? Just sign up with Octa, you're done. Again, when you saw people enter this at $1.2370 something there, you don't enter because it's going that direction, right? That's amateur trading. You're gonna hurt yourself. Always buy the discount. If you're not yet in on this trade, you're probably late. It's gone already. Where will you put your stop loss? Where would you put your stop loss? It's late. It's late. Gold is still moving. I think gold is going for 2% for the day. That's my take. My anticipation in the morning is that we hit 2,900. We did. My next anticipation is we hit 2% for the day. Let's see. Let's see. British pound USD currently going to a break-even point. Down by 0.9%, 0.10%. This is where it is currently. But German 40 is still quite in the money, still good. Germany is still good. Germany is still good. 21,900 is entry level. British pound USD not really good, by the way, but you guys should be, if you took this, you still should be in profits. If you took it at the price I said you should still be in profits, right? EU is also dropping there because I see all red there on the other side. Let's see how we handle this level. Maybe it might be a trap again. For those that are seeing this as a third touch, there is a possibility that that is the case, right? If you took it at the price I said you should, $1.2370, yeah, 77, 75, somewhere there, you should still be good. But if you took it up here, then you did not take it at the price I said you should. Buy at the discount, guys. If you want to make money as a day trader, always make sure that you buy at the discount, right? Buy at the discount. Don't buy at an expensive price. You want to make money, right? So always buy at the discount. Don't train it, meaning to say you're jumping on it when you see it go a certain direction. It's dangerous. please don't forget that tomorrow we are streaming again. Guys, can you do me a favor? Please like and subscribe. Can you like and subscribe for your boy? Like and subscribe. If you took that German at 21,000, you should also be good. If you took it here and you were not charged a crazy amount of spread, put your stop loss on break even. That's what I would do. Again, guys, read the disclaimer. Don't put me in trouble. I'm not giving anyone financial advice here. I would put my stop loss on break even. If I took it at 21,900 according to the sticky note, I would put this on break even and just let this trade run, man. You're almost close to your TP, so that you protect yourself in cases against you. If you took this GU, hopefully you took it at $1.2377, right? You can put this on break even. This trade hasn't gone as yet, so you should wait to see if you're good or not. All right, look at WTI is going back to my break-even point. I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna cry if WTI stops me out on break-even again for the third time. I'm gonna cry. I'm telling you, I'll record myself crying. I promise you, this is going to be the most painful thing ever. To break even 3 times, I'm telling you. I will literally cry. Euro dollar is well above, almost well above our POC level. If it closes like this, then this is going to be a good thing. I'm telling you, I would literally cry if that happens on WTI. Alright, choppers, thank you so much for tuning in. I have to leave it there. Kutan Trading just joined us now. We are about to close. You can always join us again tomorrow, 9 Central African time, so 9 South African Standard Time, right? 9 a.m. we're gonna be streaming again tomorrow. Choppers, all the best to you guys that took these trades. If you took GU, you should be like 20%, 30% close to TP. If you took German, you should be like 60% to TP. Put your stop loss on break even and avoid having emotions on this thing, right? So yeah, that's what we have. WTI, I'm still holding it. Like I said, I would literally cry if this thing breaks me even again. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. More love from me, your president. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Don't forget to pray, guys. Cheers, bye.